How to turn off predictive text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Now, scroll down and turn off the predictive text feature over here. You can also manage the other keyboard features from here, such as show math results, smart punctuation, delete slide to type by word, auto capitalization, and more. Following these steps, you can easily turn off predictive text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.